Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Perillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. iOS 17 Public Beta 1 has dropped. Not physically, it's a virtual thing. You can install it on your iPhone or your iPad if you're so inclined. I would caution you, it is a beta. But then again, Apple in recent years has been releasing in its final form iOS, macOS, iPadOS, tvOS in just as steady a state as the betas, which is to say you're always going to run into bugs. iOS 17, of course, brings with it a variety of features. Are you installing iOS 17 during the beta? Are you going to wait? What's the one feature you cannot wait for? Now, I'm asking that question because even after watching the keynote presentation from WWDC, which I always look forward to, from any company, anyone talking about software, because I'm a software enthusiast, not so much the hardware. What's the one thing that you can't wait for with iOS 17? Just one thing. Name one thing. I looked at the webpage for iOS 17 before shooting this video, and I remember there are certain features that are rolling out, but quite honestly, all of them seem to be minor at best. And maybe it's that I've been spoiled with the Android ecosystem where new features just get trickled out throughout the year, not just during these major platform releases that might happen once a year. But beyond that, the final versions of iOS seem to be as stable as most of the betas. And Apple really isn't adding a whole bunch of really new things that add up to a better experience than we might have been receiving from iOS 16. Now, if Apple came out and said, hey, we've redone this, that, and the other thing, and now everything is smoother, unlike me that just dropped a whole bunch of Star Wars stuff on the floor, like, you know, suddenly the jank is gone and the slop is gone, and look at this, it's so much better. Yeah, then I'd be like driving to install iOS 17, but at this point, I think I'll wait until iOS 17 is finalized before I get it. What about you?